Okay, what's going on here today?
Well, actually, today we're installing the new weight room here at Lakeside. So you can see right here we have 5 power racks going on this side right here. We installed, will be 5 on the other side right there. So this is a 3-post power rack. So you have an area to squat inside, outside. You have your connector pieces in between to be able to do different things, different pull-ups or TRX stuff, things like that. You have your self-contained weight storage. So really just upgrading this to what y'all deserve, and it's a big upgrade, and I'm excited for y'all, and I know y'all excited, and some top-notch equipment.
So talk a little bit about the equipment itself, like as far as top of the line. Is this what we got going on here?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if you look, you kind of come in through, like you can look right here, just the nameplate. So the nameplate is a 3-layer cut, all right in there, laser cut in for this Lakeside and your logo and everything like right there. The post is a 3x3. It's almost it's 4mm, almost an 8-gauge steel. It's extremely heavy-duty steel, with it. So it's kind of an unbelievable stuff. All your numbers are laser cut in there, all right, through there. You come in, you look at your benches over here. Turn around, you have everything is custom logoed, and that's the nice thing. You're all branded right here. So you have your custom logo bench right here. You look at it even just on the side, the nice little things on it. You have the stainless steel pull pins, okay? The stainless steel, backer plate right there. So I mean, yeah, as far as top of the line, it's top of the line, yeah.